pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians
are my brothers and sisters.
are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all others
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
Their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.